When you're ready to export your video, go to File, Export Media. YouTube has recommended encoding settings, and we'll link to this webpage with the full breakdown in the description. We're going to cover the most important points here. Firstly, YouTube recommends you export your video as an MP4 for fast and correct processing, so we're going to select the H.264 codec, which will output your video as an MP4. Your resolution will depend on what you've used when filming. YouTube will accept a variety of resolutions, but the standard are 16:9 ratios. The two most common resolutions of these are 1080 and 4K. To export in 1080, set your frame size to 1920 by 1080, and to export in 4K, set your frame size to 3840 by 2160. Your resolution will then determine how high your bitrate settings need to be in order to maximise quality. If you're exporting in 1080, the recommended bitrate is 10 megabytes per second, and for 4K, between 44 and 56 megabytes is recommended. Finally, for audio, YouTube recommends AAC at a sample rate of either 48 or 96 kHz.